Hi, this is Dave Eaton. Just wanted to let whoever's watching this know that we're very appreciative of Champion Plumbing, Granger, and Maury. We've been longtime customers of them, and they have responded to our phone calls in a timely manner. Their work has been outstanding.
I use Champion Plumbing for all of my plumbing problems, and I would recommend them to anybody.
Thank you, Ann. Hi folks, this is Granger from Champion Plumbing. One of the sort of typical problems that folks out here in Calabasas run into, as anywhere else, is your with the toilet would be your fill valve. You got your flush handle. You got your flapper down there that can fail on the toilet. You got a tank to bowl kit. Inside here there's a big mushy washer in between the tank and the bowl that can fail. You got your supply line. Water can drip down. This fails up here or down there, and you got your angle stop that goes bad as well. So that's typically what you're going to find here. The other thing that you could do is water coming at the base of the toilet. I'm at the base. You've got a wax seal. If your bolts aren't in properly, a lot of times those bolts get pulled right out, and the toilet's loose, rocking and rolling. You're going to have a leak through there. In showers, that you got here, typically you got you can have an external leak from the valve dripping down here. You'll see the drip, or the handles get stripped. Handles get stripped. You can put on the new handles. You can have, of course, the washers that aren't, and the valve that isn't working properly, and you'll have your drip coming down here. And the other thing that you can have is there's a leak behind the shower arm. Sometimes it leaks inside the wall, which can cause big problems. And of course, one that people don't look at often is caulking and grouting. You'd be surprised how much water can go through bad grouting and caulking and cause damage, especially if you have an upstairs bathroom. So that you always got to look at. And of course, you got the stoppages. In a lav sink like this, little small lav sink here, this is a simple faucet, simple system going on here. But you got you can have your hair stoppages in the pop-up assembly. You can have stripped handles. You can have a valve that's a stem that's no good, and you'll have your drip coming down here. And sometimes you got a whole loose faucet. The whole faucet is just loose, then you need to tighten it up. You got stoppages that you can do if it's in the line. You drop this strap, shoot it through there with a snake. This one's got a clean out, which is a good thing. Sometimes you can't get it, especially if it's back to back, in which this case is. This one, I believe this house is back to back with a kitchen drain. So that's why there is a clean out there for that.
Very quick to respond, and I've really appreciated their service over the years.
We're satisfied, and I think they did a very good job.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate that.